Hello and welcome to Cricket Next. मैं हूं सौम्य कपूर and there are some latest updates from the coaching staff. Well, अभी पक्का कुछ नहीं है लेकिन कुछ likely developments हैं और सारी details जानने के लिए कि bowling coach कौन होगा, fielding coach कौन होगा, कौन retain होगा, कौन कौन किस किस को replace करने जा रहा है. I have with me Sahil Malhotra in this session. Welcome to Cricket Next, Sahil. Starting with the bowling coach, what is the latest update? आप viewers को बताइए.
Swami, it's being widely reported about Ryan Tendulkar, Abhishek Nair, and T. Dilip being the three faces in Gautam Gambhir's support staff, but there was a lot of ambiguity and no clarity yet on the bowling coach bit. So I can say it with some conviction that Morne Morkel has been approached. The discussions are underway, and they are kind of in the home stretch now. But it's very unlikely to be completed, or Morkel is very unlikely to join, if at all. It finally goes through in the right direction. The appointment is very unlikely to happen before the Sri Lanka series, for which India leaves tomorrow from Mumbai. So Morkel is highly unlikely to join the squad, but there's a very strong possibility of him becoming India's next bowling coach after the Sri Lanka ODIs and T20s.
Okay, just talking about Morne Mogul's appointment, if it all it happens, what do you make of this? A big name from the South African team now getting into that kind of a role. He's been a part of IPL franchises. He's been a part of coaching staff at the international level as well. So, what do you make of this?
I think he's a very, very, very sharp coach, and I've spoken to a lot of LSG players who have worked with him very closely for the last couple of years, 3 years. Some young Indian fast bowlers, some established international fast bowlers, and all of them, in what how do I put it forward? Everyone was on the same page when it comes to Morkel. They're like, this guy is absolutely calm, yaar, बहुत calm बंदा है. सबसे पहला मेरे को यही सुनने को मिला when I asked, यार Morkel, how is he as a coach? He said like, भाई आप बिल्कुल चिंता मत करो यार, बहुत काम बंदा है. तो मैंने कहा मेरे को चिंता क्यों करनी है, मैंने थोड़ी bowling करनी है. But it's like, the first reaction from everyone involved in that dugout under Morkel has been that he's very calm, very composed, tries to focus on the positives, and even when the bowlers have found it difficult, which has been the case for plenty of bowlers in the last season, Morkel has always focused on the positives about how you can consistently look at extending that positive patch of your spell and not focusing too much on what went wrong. Avesh Khan also, has numerous times told about the technical bit which Morkel helped him with, developing those slower ones, the variations in the format. So very calm, very composed, and Gambhir admires him a lot as a bowler. 10 years back, 12 years back, when Gambhir was still a very active cricketer, there were instances where he was asked about the best bowler he has faced, and the only name which came to his mind was Morne Morkel. So he has been a big fan of Morne Morkel, the bowler. He finds him the toughest bowler he has ever faced. So admiration hai, respect hai. Now it's over to the BCCI to finalize those details and give Gautam Gambhir. They've probably given him 80% of the support stuff which he wanted. Now it's just the bowling coach bit which is left, and we are hoping that it will be completed after the Sri Lanka tour.
But there are certain names that whom you have mentioned in your story, which is on Cricket Next website as well on this particular topic. Sahil, talking about Vinay Kumar, talking about Zach, talking about Balaji, there were certain names जिनके बारे में बात हो रही थी. तो वो क्या हुआ? Was that a rumor? वो सिर्फ एक source based stories थे.
They were not rumors. They were actually these names in contention. Widely, there were suggestions of another former India left-arm fast bowler. एक और लेफ्ट आर्म फास्ट बॉलर जो हर बार कोचिंग रोल के साथ एसोसिएट किया जाता है, बट नथिंग कॉन्क्रीट डेवलप्ड ऑन दैट फ्रंट, एंड couple of names were मतलब पहले ही रिजेक्ट कर दिया गया था, एंड they were exploring the possibility of Vinay Kumar. I can say that Vinay Kumar ka discussions were really strong, and again the formalities haven't been completed, so it will be premature for us to say that Morkel has like sealed the deal, but he's very close to doing that. So before it becomes official and formal, let's stay to the likelihood bit. But there were names in consideration, discussion. But Morkel had the backing of Gautam Gambhir, and ever since he came on board, there were names like Morkel, there were names like John T. Rhodes, which were being discussed, which were being reported. Gambhir likes to work with people he enjoys working with, and he enjoys that sense of trust and comfort. And all these people, are coming on board, whether it's Abhishek Nair, whether it's Ryan Tendulkar, they're like team first individuals. And Gambhir, very recently, I think in March, before KKR season got underway, he mentioned without any hesitation that he'll take a bullet for Ryan Descartes. He feels
Hmm.
he's the best team player he has ever played with, and he
Yeah.
narrated that incident during from his playing days where Ryan Descartes was the fourth overseas player in the squad, and they only had four at their disposal.
Hmm.
Tendescarte didn't play that game. KKR went ahead with only three overseas players, but he was happily serving drinks without any frown on his
Yeah.
forehead. So that speaks volumes about the characters Gambhir generally likes to keep around him, and that has always been the case. Team first, duty first, no
Hmm.
leaks, no gossip, no drama. Cricket, cricket, cricket. So that is what you will see in signings which are
Yeah.
about to become official, I hope, tomorrow.
Yeah. Okay. So that brings me to a very important point, because you now can have, there are high likely possibility that you can have two overseas players
Yeah.
in the coaching staff. So इस क्या बीसीसीआई ने वो जो एक कहीं ना कहीं अनसेट सा रूल था कि एक मेक इन इंडिया काइंड ऑफ अ कोचिंग स्टाफ चाहिए जो सब कुछ यहाँ से हो, लोकल हो, उसको थोड़ा मोल्ड कर दिया है क्या उस अनसेट रूल को?
I think देखो अभी सौम्या, I don't even see, like, if I just talk about primarily the bowling coach bit or even the batting coach, you didn't really have too many options, right? We kind of
हम्म.
widely suggested the fact that WV Raman could be part of the setup as a red ball
हम्म.
consultant, or probably the batting coach role. But now the board is not looking in that direction. So things are
Yeah.
changing. They are kind of adapting to the needs and wants of the game, which is like growing at a rapid pace now. Like every
हम्म.
year, the shorter formats, and अभी भी आप West Indies and England का match देखिए, the pace at which the test match is being played, it's not
हम्म.
something which we have seen that often in the past, right? So you have to adapt to the changing times, and having thorough professionals in the backroom staff definitely helps. And last time around, with Rahul Dravid, Paras Mamre, Vikram Rathore, T. Dilip, it was a very NCA-driven process where people who were part of the setup were elevated to the senior team. They've already
हम्म.
seen some of these players, most of these players, during their India A under 19 and the junior levels. But it's going to be a
हम्म.
different experience this time around, because Gambhir, Morkel, if he becomes Ryan Descartes, Abhishek Nair, in some में Abhishek Nair के अलावा, I don't think any of these would have like worked very closely with the younger players. And Abhishek Nair
Yeah.
also in a personal capacity or with a
In a personal
KKR
capacity.
capacity.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is going to be a big challenge on that front, because आप थोड़ा प्रोसेस से हट कर गए हैं, और जैसे आपने कहा वो अनसेट रूल को आपने थोड़ा सा डिच करा है. ऐसा कोई
हम्म.
मतलब मैं तो नहीं कहूंगा रूल था, बट एक स्ट्रॉन्ग
हाँ,
फीलिंग
एक
था कि
होता.
Indians रखते हैं. And Gambhir also in the past has been very vocal about having only Indian
हम्म.
players in the backroom staff. So maybe he wanted a head coach to be Indian, which he is, and support staff overseas ho bhi to I don't think makes a lot of difference, because
Yeah.
ultimately it's the support staff, and
Yeah.
all the work has to be done by the head coach, who will be
Yeah.
attending that press conference tomorrow. So
Tomorrow.
fireworks in
Yeah.
store.
Yeah. Okay. Lastly, before we end the session, Sahil, a word on having T Dilip, because he's the one who is likely to be retained from that coaching staff. So
Yeah.
he's somebody जिसने जो कहीं ना कहीं उनकी बात बहुत ज्यादा नहीं होती, but he has played a very very major role in creating that kind of an atmosphere. वो मेडल्स का इंट्रोडक्शन करना, वो फील्डिंग, और वो सूर्या का कैच, उसके बाद वो कहीं ना कहीं सूर्या को क्रेडिट जाता है, लेकिन वो कहीं ना कहीं टी दिलीप को भी जाता है. तो उनके बारे में थोड़ा सा इफ यू कैन जस्ट टॉक अबाउट
ना, आई थिंक अगर आप टी दिलीप का बिगेस्ट टेक अवे मेरे से पूछेंगे, तो मैं
इट.
ना सूर्या की कैच की बात करूंगा, ना वो वर्ल्ड कप में अक्सर की कैच की बात करूंगा. आई
Yeah.
विल ओनली टॉक अबाउट द स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ फील्डिंग ऑफ फास्ट bowlers which has improved considerably in the last couple of years, whether it's Arshdeep, whether it's
Yeah.
Mohammad Siraj. They all were good athletes, Khalil. बट आप इन सबकी जब आप फील्डिंग, ग्राउंड फील्डिंग, कैचिंग देखते हो, देयर इज अ रिमार्केबल डिफरेंस इन हाउ दे वर
Hmm.
and how they are right now. So he has spent a lot of time there, and he's a thorough team professional, as I said. That creating that good vibe in the dressing room. That fielding medal has become a big hit. यार मतलब एक किताब तो सिर्फ
Yeah.
फील्डिंग मेडल पे लिख दो. The innovations which were done when those
Yeah.
medals were distributed in the 2023 World Cup, then those guest appearances, Viv Richards, Ravi Shastri, Dinesh Karthik in the 2024 World Cup, and
Hmm.
now Rinku Singh probably getting from VVS Lakshman. So, and T Dilip himself giving that video message after the Zimbabwe
Yeah.
series. So एक अच्छा माहौल बनता है, and he's a very positive character, keeps the energy high in the dressing room.
Hmm.
And कुछ इंस्टेंसेस में क्या, मोस्ट इंस्टेंसेस में मोर देन द टेक्निकल बिट, स्किल बिट, यू नीड दैट गुड एनर्जी इन द ड्रेसिंग रूम, बिकॉज स्किल वाइज सारी टीम, सारे प्लेयर 19-20 होते हैं. इट्स व्हाट हैपेंस
या
बिटवीन द इयर्स व्हिच मेक्स यू अ
या
डिफरेंट बीस्ट.
एक मुझे बस एक चीज यहाँ पे पूछनी है, बिकॉज जीजी इज somebody who doesn't really talk about the personal milestones, right? He has been of
या
that sorts कि टीम कितना अब 97 से जीत रही है, 91 से वर्ल्ड कप जीती है, वर्ल्ड कप आना चाहिए, वो वाले
या
कैरेक्टर है. तो क्या ये फील्डिंग मेडल्स उनके टेन्योर में रह पाएगा, कंटिन्यू हो पाएगा?
रहना चाहिए. See, Abhi Gambhir also, there would have been discussions with Gambhir as well that you can't
Yep.
operate on a franchise model when it comes to
Hmm.
the Indian cricket team. We have discussed this in the past as well. When Jamie
Yeah.
was there on the show, we were discussing that you have to deal with different egos, good and bad.
Hmm.
So you have to maintain that balanced approach as a coach. So Gambhir will have to adapt himself too. It can't be a my way or a highway, which I'm sure he's aware of, because see, Gambhir is not your like typical any other cricketer, right? Domestic, he has been there, done that. IPL, been there,
I
done
just
that.
I just feel I just cutting you here. I just feel थोड़ा सा हम लोग ये बात करते हैं कि ये आईपीएल फ्रैंचाइज की तरह नहीं है. आई एग्री टू दैट, बट प्रोबेबली वहाँ ईगो ज्यादा आपको हैंडल करना पड़ता होगा, बिकॉज प्लेयर्स को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है यार, एक फ्रैंचाइज से चले गए तो दूसरा उठा लेगा. सो
Correct.
and you're here to enjoy your cricket for 2 months, have some good food, have some fine time away from your hectic schedules and just play the IPL. तो कहीं ना कहीं आईपीएल में एक कोचिंग स्टाफ में रहना या मेंटोरशिप में रहना, वो मेरे को लगता है वो थोड़ा ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट है, क्योंकि जब आप टीम के लिए खेलते हो या इंडिया के लिए खेलते हो यार, आप और ज्यादा प्रोफेशनल हो जाते हो. तो प्रोबेबली वो जीजी के लिए शायद वो थोड़ा इजी पैसेज शायद होगा
No,
मेरे ख्याल.
see, Soumya, it's a 2-month process, IPL. Maximum
Yeah.
1 month before the season begins.
Hmm.
But this is like 12 months, 365 days a year. You are mentally engaged with the Indian cricket team. आप सिलेक्टर्स के साथ टच में रहते हो, एनसीए को स्पॉट कर रहे होते हो, डोमेस्टिक फॉलो कर रहे होते हो, नए लड़के तैयार करते हो. इट्स अ प्रोसेस व्हिच नेवर एंड्स. यू नेवर स्लीप व्हेन यू आर द कोच ऑफ द इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम. So, it's a
Yeah.
very taxing job. You have to be away on the road for a very long time. Gambhir has 2 daughters, 2 very young daughters. So, it will take a toll on him, yaar. I'm not saying that he's not used to being away from on the road. He has been, an active politician before this season of the IPL. So, he has been away from the road commentary duties and all that stuff he has been doing. But this is going to be a very challenging job, both for him at a personal level and a professional level. So, how
Yeah.
he juggles that and, takes the team forward, a team which is fresh from a World Cup. It's going to be challenging, but it will be a fun ride for us tracking too.
Yeah, true. Well, we just hope that it goes well. ऐसा ही चलता रहे जैसा मोमेंटम मिला है T20 वर्ल्ड कप विन के बाद, और हमारे को और अच्छी खबरों के बारे में बात करने के लिए मिलता रहे. वेल, थैंक यू साहिल, थैंक यू फॉर योर इनसाइट्स. दोबारा जुड़ेंगे और इंडियन क्रिकेट के बारे में और बात करेंगे. थैंक यू सो मच. बाय बाय. टेक केयर.